Hello everyone, welcome to Tactim. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to find Instagram password if we forgot. Before starting the video, please subscribe to Tactim. So, let's get started. For this, you have to open your settings. Now scroll down. Here you can see Google. Press on this. Now go to your Gmail account. Here you can see manage your Google account. Click on it. Now go to security. Now scroll down. Here you can see password manager. You have to press on this. Now you can see here Instagram.com. Click on it. Now use your pattern. If you forgot your password, then you just have to do these things. That's it. So this is how to find Instagram password if you forgot it. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.